Hello Goenkans. Today we are going to discuss the last topic of our chapter 2, playing with numbers. And the topic is properties of LCM and HCF. Property 1. It says that HCF of given numbers is not greater than any of the number. That is, if we have a set of numbers, their HCF is always going to be either smaller than the given numbers or it is going to be equal to one of the given numbers. Let us understand this property with an example. For example, the HCF of 22 and 33 is 11. You can see that 11 is neither greater than 22 nor greater than 33. 11 is less than 22 and 33. Similarly, if you will see the HCF of 2 and 4, it is equal to 2, which is equal to one of the given numbers. Property 2. It says that LCM of given numbers is not smaller than any of the numbers. That is, if we have set of numbers, their LCM is always greater than or equal to one of the given numbers. For example, you can see here that the LCM of 22 and 33 is 66. And this 66 is greater than the given numbers 22 and 33. Similarly, if you will see the LCM of 5 and 25 is 25, which is equal to one of the given numbers. Property 3. It says that HCF of given numbers is a factor of LCM. Now, what does that mean? For example, if you will see the HCF of 12 and 16, it is equal to 4. And the LCM of 16 and 12, it is equal to 48. So clearly you can see that 4 is a factor of 48. That is, 4 is going to divide this 48 completely. So when we have the set of numbers, their HCF is always a factor of the LCM of those numbers. Property 4. It says that LCM of given numbers is multiple of HCF. It says that LCM of given numbers is multiple of HCF. That is, if we have numbers, for example, 16 and 12 here, their HCF is equal to 4 and their LCM is equal to 48. So you can see that 48 is a multiple of 4. You can see that 48 is a multiple of 4. So LCM of given numbers is always a multiple of HCF. Property 5. It says that HCF of co-prime numbers is equal to 1. It is clearly understood that if we have co-prime numbers, we know that co-prime numbers have only 1 as a common factor. So their HCF is also going to be equal to 1 only. Property 6. It says that LCM of co-prime numbers is a product of numbers. We have already discussed this property in one of the question of exercise 2.5, where we saw that if we have co-prime numbers, their LCM is equal to the product of the numbers. For example, if I have a number 5 and number 9 here, both of them are co-primes. That is, both of them are having 1 as a common factor. So we don't have to find their LCM with any of the methods. All we have to do, we have to find the product of these co-prime numbers, and whatever is the product, that is going to be the LCM of the given numbers. The last property says that product of two numbers is equal to the product of LCM and HCF. That is, if we are having two numbers, so the product of these two numbers is always equal to the product of their LCM and HCF. For example, you can see here on the screen that the LCM of 12 and 16, it is equal to 48. And if we will find the HCF of 12 and 16, that is equal to 4. And product of LCM and HCF is equal to 192. And if we will see the two numbers that is given to us, that is 12 and 16, that is also equal to 192. So it says that product of two given numbers is always equal to the product of LCM and HCF. And related to property 7, we have the exercise 2.6 that we are going to discuss in our Zoom classes. Thank you so much, students.